Hello guys, had complications, so let us continue with this video, right? We finish up with this question, right? So as you can see, this is the question, a complex number. We left it in the previous video. The video was cut, so now we just have to continue it and finish it. Let us cruise for this one. So we are finding the values of x and y here. So let's see how can do we can deal with this one. Let's connect the soft connect. Yes. Okay. Yes. All right. So I wanted the board. This is the board now. So the question is x over 1 plus I minus y over 2 minus I is equal to 1 minus 5I over 3 minus 2I. 2 minus 2. So here we can start with finding the denominator here. Let's just I want this to keep it aside because we don't have space, right? So just keep it aside there. Let's deal with this. So this one first. So to deal with this one, we find the denominator, the common denominators. We have 1 plus I of 2 minus I. These are common denominators. So we do our usual process of finding the values here. So we have 2 minus I minus y over 1 plus I. So we expand there. So we expand both this one and this one. We expand them both. So let's do that work. The job to get the job done. So x times 2 is 2x. X times minus negative I is x minus xi, and you go there, y minus y multiplied by 1 is y, and minus y multiplied by negative positive 1 is minus yi over, we expand what is in the denominator. 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times I is minus I times 2 is plus 2i, I times negative I is plus 1. I'm sure you are familiar with these. I times I is negative I is negative 1. Now 1 times 1, negative 1 times negative is a positive 1. So this is how it comes here. So I'm coming here, we continue. So I'll do have this let's do what is in the denominator. So we have 2 plus 1 is 3, I minus negative I plus 2i is plus I. So since we have this, now we can put this again. We keep this somewhere there. Let's just keep it. Now we go to this one. Remember we had this one. Yeah. So that equation I've removed is equating to this, to 1 minus 5i over 3 minus 2i. So for this part here, we we rationalize the denominator. We need the values of x and y. So this part we rationalize the denominator. So we have x plus 2i, 2i, not x is 3 plus 2i, and so to rationalize the denominator, it means you multiply the numerator and the denominator by the denominator, then the denominator you change the sign. If it was plus, you put a minus. If it was a minus, you put a plus. So this is what I'm doing here. So plus 2i. So when we multiply here, 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2i is plus 2i. 5 times 5i times 3 is minus 15i. 5i minus 5i times 2i is plus 10 over. So this one you multiply. This is the difference of two squares. You just multiply what is first and first, like this one times this one, and this second you multiply by this, then you get your values. It's just fine if you do like that, because but if you want to show, you can show it, but you find somewhere there will be two numbers there, they will be cancelling, be subtracting. So if you do this, it's just good. So 3 times 3 is 9. The negative 3, negative 2i multiplied by 2i is plus 4. So from here we add our numbers here, add them. We had the 15i, the 15i, 15 minus 2i, that was 13. So I'm having 3 plus 10 is 13 minus 13 I over 13. So this one, what you do here, just break them to have you break them like this, over 13 minus 13i over 13, you have 1 minus I. So this is your value to the left. This is left, your right hand side. So I am having I minus 1 minus I. So I'm getting the equation we have left it there somewhere there. So it was 2x minus xi minus y minus yi over 3 plus I is equal to 1 minus I. See, it is becoming simple now. So just divide it by 1. You cross multiply from here. So when you cross multiply, you're having 2x minus xi minus y minus yi. Then you multiply this. 3 times 3 is 3. 3 times I plus 3i. I times 1 is plus I. I times negative I is plus 1. Plus 1. You get that? So from here, sorry, here is minus, not plus. It's 3 minus 3i. So we find the values from there. This here, you add them up, because we have minus 3i plus y, and so when you do that, you have x minus xi minus y minus yi. So you have 3 plus 1 is 4, and minus 3i plus I is 2i. So from here you like the terms together, imaginary number, like complex, imaginary number, and the real value, real number. So 2x is my real number, and minus y is my real number, is equated to 4. It's my real number. My imaginary number, I have a negative I and I minus iy is equal to minus 2i. So this one now you solve by simultaneous. You use simultaneous equations. This is a simultaneous equation, so you can use either methods which you know. So for me, I'll use the elimination method. So the elimination method, I'll do like that. So from here, I'll multiply top here, multiply by 1, and down here to get rid of I imaginary is here, I will multiply by I imaginary number. So when I do that, I'm having a 2x minus y is equal to 4, and here I'm having x plus y is equal to 2. That's what we have there. Let me write it in good way now. So I said x minus y is equal to 4, and x plus y is equal to 2. So from here we can add. So you follow what is cancelling. So we need to cancel one and find the value of one variable. So I'm cancelling y here. I want to put plus here, so that if I put a minus, then nothing will cancel, because they are different. Here is 2x and this is x, so it can't cancel, and this one will be minus 2y. So if I put plus, this one will cancel, and I'll have 3x is equal to 2 plus 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. So divide by 3. My x is equal to 2. Now we need to find the value of y. So to find the value of y, I'll get my 2x minus y is equal to 4. So where there is x, I'll put a 2. 2 minus y is equal to 4. So 2 times 2 is 4, minus y is equal to 4. So when a 4 has gone to that other side, it will be minus y is equal to 4 minus 4. Then minus y is equal to 0. Divide by -1, divide by -1. My y is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Hence, solved. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. You can like this video and subscribe to this channel to get more notification on the video will be uploaded in future. Thank you.